going to tackle plate boundaries, so stay tuned and keep on watching. But what is plate tectonics? Plate tectonics is a theory that explains the surface of the Earth is broken to a large and small litospheric plates that are moving constantly and slowly. The size and position of these plates change as years pass by. They move against each other at their edges, causing intense geologic activity such as earthquake, volcanism, and mountain building. Today, this video will provide you the information that will help you understand plate boundaries. Plate boundaries are the lines at the edges of the different pieces of the lithosphere. These plates interact with each other at their boundaries, and these interactions lead to various geological phenomena. The interaction or movement causes the formation of plate boundaries, namely divergent, convergent, and transform. First, we have divergent boundary. It is formed when two tectonic plates move apart from each other, creating tension. Let's take this paper as an example. So this is the plate and divergent boundary is moving apart like that, creating tension. Divergent boundary is also called constructive plate boundary. So remember that divergent boundary or constructive plate boundary is moving apart, moving away from each other. The mid-ocean ridge is formed by the divergence between oceanic plates, while continental reef valleys is formed between continental plates, meaning to say the mid-ocean ridge is formed in the ocean and the continental reef valleys is formed between continental, from the word itself. Both the formation of mid-ocean ridge and reef valley had the occurrence of an earthquake. And next, we have convergent boundary. It is formed when two tectonic plates move towards each other. Let's take again this paper as an example. So this is the plates and they move toward each other like this, creating mountains and also volcanoes that they move against each other. So this boundary has three types of boundary. We have oceanic plate, continental plate boundary, and we also have two oceanic plates boundary, and lastly we have two continental plates boundary. In oceanic plate, continental plate boundary, and two oceanic plate boundary, the oceanic plate bends downward into the mantle through the process called subduction. So let's take again this for example. So let's see it. So this is the subduction. It bends downward into the mantle. That. You get my point? Yeah, you get it. But what is subduction? Subduction is formed when two collisions lead the plates being formed beneath another. It can also cause the plates to crumble and fold, leading to formation of mountain ridges. The oceanic plate continental plate boundary and the oceanic plate continental boundary often have volcanic activity because the descending plate melts and causes magma to rise. On the other hand, the two continental plates converging results to the formation of compression zone. Example of this is the Himalayas, where the Indian plate is colliding with the Eurasian plate. So that is convergent boundary. Now let's talk about the third one, transform boundary. It is formed when two tectonic plates are sliding past each other, and it is also called strike-slip fault. From the word itself, slip, strike, slip, slip, slip. It's not slip the word take anak ha. Slip like that. Yes, you get it? You get it. So let's take this paper as an example again. So think of this as the plate, and they'll pass to each other like this. Yeah, you understand. Graph that line. The boundary is split into pieces as the plates slip at each other. A crack is then formed, creating an undersea canyon or linear fault valley. Example of this is the San Andreas Fault in California, where the Pacific Plate and North American plates slide past each other. So this is the picture. Understanding the boundaries helps explain why certain areas are more prone to earthquakes, volcanic activity, and mountain formation. Each type of boundary creates different geological features and processes based on how the plates interact. I hope you learned something about what we tackled today. Thanks so much. Bye!